The GreenGloveDryer is basically a dryer that sits over your vent, either on the floor or we have a version that hangs on the wall. There's blood, sweat, and tears that go into everything we do, and there's a family behind it. This is a family that has sacrificed a lot, but also received a lot. And I think that that just goes with the, you know, we've been honest and we've held ourselves to the highest level of integrity, and you know, we're very humbled. We work hard, and we want people to know that we're grateful for their support.
I'm so proud of her. I'm so proud of the way she goes after her dreams, the relentless nature that she wakes up every day to make a difference. And she does. Her company is everything to her, but she's so much more than her company.
I would say if there's one thing I would want people to know about me, about my company, and about the individuals that work with me, not for me, my team, is that integrity is everything.